been a few days since we've been able to do anything. It was the weekend. It was a quiet weekend. I enjoyed that. But we got a geothermal system here, and on the lights. Here, I'll give you some better light. Here, no, I forget about that light. We're getting, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but anyway, low pressure fault. Now, on this system, what's weird, well, I guess I can take you through the motions. Cardi, let's get our little finger wrench to get this loose. So I can physically hear the blower going. It's not amped up to high speed or anything, but it's because you're not getting the call for cooling because of the low pressure fault. So on geothermal water furnace anyway, we can take that screw out. You don't have to take it out, just loosen it. There's some heat coming out of that cabinet. A lot of it. Ooh. Okay, so remove that panel. It's going to get you to the contactor. The contactor is pulled in. Let's see a voltmeter here. I'm sorry, I zoned out looking. Don't take much to get me distracted. Alright, so we want to take our voltmeter, turn it to AC current. And we're going to check main voltage. Always start there, because if you don't have 240 volts, you see, if you don't have that coming in, nothing's going to run. So let's go up to the top. So that tells you that contactor's working. But the thing about it is the compressor's not running, so that's a problem. And that's probably where all your heat's coming from. Oh yeah. Okay.
So with that being said, more than likely it's too late.
Yeah, more than likely this is the end. This unit's been in here for 35 years. And there's your compressor.
My boy done made this. Hey, for 35 years you can't get mad.
Yeah, no, you can't be angry at it. I mean, Geos last a long time. And y'all, like I explained, I took that door off, and I mean, you'll feel a little heat, but this is a lot of heat on my face. Like, yeah, but why is it saying low pressure when the compressor is just getting hot and shutting off?
So technically it's high pressure.
No, because if your compressor's not pumping, you're not going to get any different in pressures at all. So I was right. You only have your high pressure sensor right there, but on the indicator lights, it says that it's capable of detecting low pressure. But y'all, I mean, I know a low pressure sensor when I see one, and it doesn't exist. That's what's throwing me off, is how can it log a fault that is not possible to log, you know? So I can't answer that. I know on your modern day stuff it does have it, but this one doesn't. So we're going to call water furnace, because I like to give everybody options. I mean, I'm not thinking that this thing is worth putting a significant amount of money into, because as soon as you do, like an old car, it's this, it's that, or an old house, you know, every time you turn around you're fixing something. So we're going to call water furnace. Keep my phone down there. I don't think people's numbers need to be on YouTube, does it?
Well, I mean, you got to post the videos, so.
True, you can edit. See, this is why you get paid the big bucks, man.
Who? I was about to say, not shit.
You're learning, man.
Thank you for calling Water Furnace International.
Just takes time.
To better direct your call, please choose from one of the following options. If you are a valued water furnace owner and have a question, please press 9. For hydronic services, please press 5. For tech service, please press 1.
Yeah.
This call may be monitored or recorded for quality control
Folks,
purposes.
don't be scared to call these manufacturers technicians. They're going to make you look a lot smarter than you have to be. I utilize them all the time.
Water furnace tech service.
Hey, this is Brian with Countryside Repair, and the unit that we are working on today is a GF1865, and the compressor in this thing is hotter than fire, and I was wondering if they even made that, you know, like we could get that from you or not.
What's the model number?
The model is Apple Ted Victor 04 0 Apple 110 Cat Race Tom.
Well, could you repeat that again?
Yes, sir.
Say it's an ATV
04 OA 110.
OA is an apple.
Yes, sir. And then 11 after that, OCRT. I mean, this unit's ancient. I don't think it's worth sticking a new compressor in, but I just want to give options.
Okay.
Looking at,
Parts are coming up.
yeah, that was my concern. I didn't even know if it'd be available at this point or not. Cardi over there, kill both sets of dip switches because these compressors are thermally protected. Yeah.
Yeah, here's a part number.
All right, let me get somewhere where I can text it. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
It's a 34 P as in Paul 661-01.
Okay. Can you? Yes, sir.
It needs
You got it.
it needs a capacitor.
Okay. What size capacitor comes with that?
I'll give you I'm not sure. Just give me a part number.
Well, I mean, I can go off the one that's up in here. Well, not if it's a different. If they, yeah.
You have to look at the new compressor.
Okay. Well, and I carry a bunch of them, so I'm not as concerned about that.
Yeah, it'll say on top of the compressor what capacitor it takes.
Okay. So I need to talk to service desk, not you all as much, right?
I'll get you over to customer service. They get you a price.
Okay. I appreciate it, man.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
We'll just let it cool off.
This call may be monitored
It's going
or
to happen
recorded
again.
for quality control
It's been happening.
purposes.
He's called for about 2 weeks.
So it cools down.
Some days it struggles, some days it don't. It's moving water, like all that. We've checked all that before. And it's not shutting off on high pressure. It's shutting off on low. I don't understand that either.
So in this case, what you trying to get him a new Geo or?
I'm going to give him options. You know, hey, if you want to do the compressor, that whole side wall over here,
Comes off.
yes, it's just like Velcroed on.
Thank you for waiting.
And we can
to
change
leave a
it.
voicemail, please
Or-
press 1. To have us call you back, please press 2.
Yes, yes,
Please
just go
stay
ahead
on the
and eat
line.
it and
The
get
next
it
available
taken
agent
out.
will be with you shortly. Your
Which is
position
not
in the
gonna-
queue is 1.
It's not going to be fun.
Thank you for holding.
Because to remove this out of here, you probably have to take these loose to get it up out of your way.
Is this
Please press
not
1.
here? Is this
Otherwise,
That wall comes off. That's why I said. So it would come in and out and through there. But you have to take it loose here, up there, kill your electric, take your stat wires out, disconnect it from the water heater, disconnect your loop lines, these pumps are probably as old as the unit. So,
They're gonna have to go to.
and this is a 3.5. So,
To leave a
you,
voicemail, please
I don't know if
press
they do it
1.
with one or
To have us
two.
call you back,
With
please
one.
press 2. Please stay on the line. The
So
next
we would throw
available
that in the
agent will be
bid.
with you shortly. Your
And then
position in
a
the queue
10
is
kW
one.
heater. He's got a brand new
Thank you for
stat that we
holding.
put on
Representatives
like
are
first
still
of the
assisting
summer.
other callers.
So we won't,
If you would like to leave a
you
message
know,
in
offer
our
that. There's no
voicemail
reason.
box,
You'd just be
please
cheating
press
him.
1. Otherwise, remain on the line for the next available representative.
Y'all are going to sit and watch me make a phone call.
If you,
It's part of it. Like I said, those tech services, man, they'll help you out a whole lot. And ultimately, like I say, it makes you seem a lot better than you have to be.
Thank you for waiting. To
But
leave a voicemail,
men and
please
their
press
pride,
1.
you know.
To have us call you back, please press 2. Please stay on the line. The next available agent will be with you shortly.
It's not
Your
like you need them
position in the
every
queue is
call
one.
or
nah, just on the.
just like where it don't make any sense. Now the low pressure, you know, it's easy for me to feel the heat off of that thing and touch it, and you know, you won't hang on to it. I'll tell you that. And more than likely, this unit just it's time.
Still getting there. We don't able to handle.
It's not that, but I don't think it's locked like that. We'll let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll turn it back on and see what happens.
This call may be monitored or recorded for quality control purposes.
But it'd be an easy change out.
Yeah.
Hardest part's just getting the weight physically up in there. Because y'all, if you don't know this, these units, I mean, they're like 400, 450 pounds. They ain't no joke.
Amanda, how can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. This is Brian with Countryside Repair, and I need to get a quote on part number 34 Paul 661-01.
All right. Give me 1 second here. Let me pull that up. All right. It looks like that compressor is obsolete. Let me see if they have an alternative. I don't see anything here. Brian, could you give me the serial number to this unit?
Yes, ma'am. It is G as in good, F as in Frank, 1865.
Okay, that's why. So this unit is
Ancient.
old,
Yeah, it's
and we
ancient.
no longer have compressors for the
R22. Okay, so it's not
Yes,
even
sir.
it's not even an option. Okay, all right. I just wanted to check for him.
Like a stock. Yeah, I would look into a stock house and see if they have one of them.
Well, I'm kind of on the fence whether to offer the option or not, just due to the sheer age of this thing. You know, what's next? I feel like he'd be spending bad money. But okay, that's all I needed to know. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Brian.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay, folks. So we put an X on it and condemn it.
Yep, because
it's toast. Yeah. I mean, yes, in a pinch, if someone
really needed
couldn't take care of it the other way, you know. But yeah, it doesn't make sense. And here we're really just trying to help and think logically. So we'll put the unit back together. And it's been a good one. I mean, something sitting in there for 35 years. What other brand does that? Now, I'm not saying you haven't seen them, but very, very rarely. I feel like we should play that Army funeral song, like. Yes, it's. We thank you for your service, Water Furnace.
At least he does, yeah. How much money you saving, my dude?
What? Saving money? What are you talking about? That's a foreign word. That's a curse word. No, with 3.5 ton, it all depends whether he wants to go with the Series 3 or the Series 5. Water Furnace only makes 3s, 5s, and 7s. That's just different efficiencies and different things, components, different things you can add, just like options on a car. You know, when you order a car brand new, you choose the options. That's exactly how these things work. If you're not familiar, you can't just go to your manufacturer and say, hey, I need this right now, because they don't have them like that. They build them to whatever specifications you see. So in knowing that, first of all, we need our return built on the right, to quote this, discharge up top, 10 kW heater. It needs to have hot water generation. We need a new hose kit. You wouldn't have to, but I probably will, just from here to there. And then throw in the pump. He no longer needs a stat. We've already changed that. And that's it. We'll keep the same filter rack because these are good. I'm not using electrostatic. I'm using just a 4-inch filter, which are the best things since sliced bread. I really, really promote those. Honeywell is the man. That's basically it. So we'll talk to the customer and I'll let you know what we figure out. All right, YouTube, we're back in the truck. We talked to the customer, told him exactly what Water Furnace told us, that they can no longer hear. Let me turn that off, because when that's on, you can't hear me at all. I learned that through a few other videos. But anyway, they no longer produce R22 compressors. Water Furnace isn't, and a lot of your other companies aren't either, because it's been that long ago. So with this being the age of 35 years old, which is amazing, shout out to Water Furnace for making something like that. The customer's opting to just replace. But like I say, this isn't a quick thing. That's the downside to Water Furnace. Yes, their facilities are just a state away from us. But like I said earlier in the video, they don't just mass produce these things, you know, have thousands of them sitting around like a lot of your other manufacturers do. Geo's a little different. You order it, they make it, and then there you go. Now with Geo's, usually, because you'd be sitting on money for a couple weeks, I'll usually ask for half up front, whatever the cost may be, just to cover the material and stuff. And that way it doesn't hurt the pocketbook as much. So that's the call. I mean, we did some other ones, but y'all know, like, if you watch a lot, that if the customer's standing right there, I don't know how to, like, say, hey, I'm filming for YouTube. It's weird. It's new to me, all right? So maybe eventually I'll get to that point where, you know, you can see the whole interaction. I've seen other guys on YouTube where they film the whole time. And I don't know, maybe, you know, when they call us, we can see how that works out. I don't know. But for today, I mean, that's it for us, guys. We thank you for watching. We ask you to like and subscribe and turn off your notifications.
Turn off? No, turn
on.
Please drive to highlighted
listen to
road.
Cardi. Whatever that kid said, you listen to that, and we'll see.